Welcome back to another Langmuir Systems assembly video. In the last video, we installed the motors and lead screws, and in this video, we'll be installing the torch mount, the tube caps, and the cable support tube. Let's take a look at the hardware and tools that you'll need. You'll need the 16 tube caps, the cable support tube, the torch mount V-blocks, the vertical torch slide, the 16th shim, the 1/8 inch shim, and the T-handle wrench. You'll also need bag number 10 torch slide hardware. For tools, you'll need a mallet and a 5/32 Allen wrench. Before I install these onto the machine, I will do some assembly on the bench. So to remove the hardware from bag number 10 and use the stainless screws to attach the V-blocks to one another. These only need to be hand tightened. Next, attach the vertical torch slide to the V-block assembly, paying careful attention to the location of the counterbore and making sure it's facing away from the V-block assembly. Use the other screw to attach it. And then tighten it. Now we can install the torch mount assembly onto the X-axis carriage. Position the torch slide underneath the clamping bracket, and push it all the way up, and then tighten it using the thumb screw. Next we can install the cable support tube. The cable support tube gets installed in the hole at the end of the upper rail. Make sure that the two small holes on the cable support tube are facing up. Now we can install the tube caps. We'll use a mallet to lightly tap these into each of the openings. Now the last thing left to do is install the Allen wrench and the two torch height shims into the tool bracket. That wraps up this video, and in the next video we'll be covering machine alignment. Thanks for watching.